A bullet is fired into a wall with the velocity of 50 meter per second square. 50 meter per second, velocity of 50 meter per second. Its unit is meter per second. If the bullet stops at a depth of 10 centimeter inside the wall, find the retardation provided by the wall. Find the retardation provided by the wall. This is the question asked. कैसे करोगे? Okay. So first, done. Okay. 12th one you did it. Got it. Okay, 11th one I will tell you. Now it is very simple. There is a gun. You see, there is a gun fired. Bullet will launch, attack this. Okay. And what it is told, a bullet is fired into a wall with a velocity of 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second is the hitting velocity, speed with which it is catching. If the bullet stops at a depth of 10 centimeter inside the wall, that means it is going inside the wall and stopping at a depth of 10 centimeter. Law of conservation of momentum, these types of problems will surely come. Elastic collision surely will come, but this is simple model of that. I will discuss more depth that time. This problem comes from there actually. Gun, we are firing it. Law of conservation of momentum we are applying here, which I will be dealing in the later chapter, next second chapter. After second law of motion is over, we will deal that. But what it is happening, it is fired at a speed of 50 meter per second and it is going in penetrating 10 centimeter into the wall. You are getting my point? Then he is asking, find the retardation provided by the wall. That means that end you have to do. See, there is a lot of logic here. Actually, this is your gun. This is your gun. With recoil gun. This is your gun. Do you have it? You are firing the bullet from here. Listen. The bullet is going with 50 meter per second, and it is there is a wall here. It is entering the wall. Battery less than 10%. So it is going 10 centimeter into the wall, making a hole, and it is stopping here. Now this is reference end, that is observant end, that is the victim end. Victim end. So we are taking the law here, kinematics here. That means what it is coming with u equal to 50 meter per second, v equal to 0 meter per second. Retardation you have to
find.
Correct. Retardation you have to find out. And what it is given, it is taking the depth of s equal to
6 tablets,
30 centimeter. Sorry, 10. Correct. 10 centimeter. So it is 0. How many meters? 1 meter. 0.1 meter, right? Correct. This is the distance. We are applying our kinematics at this zone. We are not thinking this. We are thinking here. From here, here it is entering 50. When it is coming here, it is becoming 0. In 10 centimeter, it is coming 0. This distance you need not calculate because there is no resistance there. Free movement. Object, there is no cause to stop it. Here there is a cause to stop it. Right? Now what is happening? S, you are applying which one? S is there, VU is there. Acceleration you have to find out. You have using equation 3. 2as equal to v square minus u square. You need acceleration equal to v square minus u square by 2 times s. What is v? 0. This is 0. Only minus u square by 2s. So what is u square? Minus 50 whole square by 2 times distance is 0.1. 2 times 1 is how much? 0.2. So 50 is 2500 minus divided by 0.2. So how you will do? 0.2 into 5 times, if you multiply it will become 100. 100 or 1. 1. So minus 2500 divided into 0.2 into 5 into 5. So it will become 25 5 is 125. 00 minus divided by 1, it will become 1. Got the point? That is the minus 12,500 meter per second square.
Kilometer.
So we are converting into kilometer. This is minus 12.5 kilometer per second square is the acceleration. So retardation equal to 12.5 kilometer per second is the retardation rate of the
Square rather.
bullet. Square. Thank you. The mistake I committed, students are also committing. So it's my mistake. Square. Careful. Careful. Okay.
Okay.
जल्दी कर दो, लिख लो. We are left with only 12, 13, 14. 12 you got it? A car traveling at 18 km per hour speeds up to 54 km per hour in 5 seconds. What is its acceleration? Simple. 18 means you are getting 5 meter per second. 54 means 3 into 5, 15. 15. So 15 minus 5, 10 by 5. So 2 meters per second square is the acceleration. Very good. Very good. 12th problem is done orally. For your sake, for online sake, I will do it. By the time you copy this,
You will upload this?
all will match it. That's it. Is the problem number 12. So we'll go with problem number 13 and 14 now, and we'll close the session today. It's already 7:15, so we have only 15 minutes left. 7:15, huh? Not 7:15, it's 7:20. So we have 10 minutes only left. So in 10 minutes we'll do these two problems and we'll pack up. I told earlier, na 7:30 I will leave. Surely I will leave you at 7:30. 13 and 14 problem.
14.
Do it. Over, huh? Next we will go for 13 and 14, the last two problems. This also noted down.
Yes.
Diagram.
Diagram.
Why you will not note, huh? Diagram is most important here. The concept is only diagram. In examination you will get confused if you don't note the diagram. I am telling you 101 times. Whatever written on the board is very, very important. Whatever shown on the board is very, very important. Finger, huh? It's not finger, hole. Hole. This hole is going like this till that point. 10 centimeter inside. Our finger is only 5 centimeter.
ఆహా నేను వేస్తున్నాను ఉంది.
Oh. It should go 10 centimeters. So this one. Okay. Okay. Next, come to the next problem. Problem number 13 and problem number 14. Okay. Okay. A moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds. A moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds by applying brake. Same, I told the same problem type. Find the initial velocity if the retardation due to application of brakes is 2. A moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds by applying brakes. Find the initial velocity if the retardation due to application of brakes is 2 meter per second square. So the retardation is 2 meter per second square. Retardation. Immediately sidely acceleration minus 2 meter per second square. The train is brought to halt. That day I uploaded a video, na? Lady was showing hand like this. You saw my status. It's like this and train applied brakes. 12 bogies got outside. 12 into each bogie 30 meters. So 250, 12 into 3, 360 meters. 350 meters train went. Then stopped that bogie. She stopped that S7 or S8. Stopped. 2 general, na? 2 general. 2 general. 4 AC. 6 plus 7. 30th bogie. She boarded. 12 went. 30th she boarded. I'll share you that video. You see. Really, it became fun only in social media. Really, the lockdown special stopped for a girl in Madhya Pradesh. It was shown viral video. It became very viral.
Because of
So a moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds by applying brake. Okay. The driver saw the Shreya was find the initial velocity of the train if the retardation is 2 meter per second square. The time is 20 seconds. Final velocity is 0. So same method, same model we already did, I feel. Did na?
you can bet.
You can put na? Yes. We have using 1. 1 in only, same only. V equal to U plus AT. U, we have to find out. V 0. U equal to minus AT. What is minus? A is minus 2 into T is 20 seconds. So 40 meter per second is the initial velocity of the train. Next problem. A racing car has uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. Uniform acceleration means equations of motion you can apply. How much distance will it cover in 10 seconds after the start? After the start means U equal to 0. Acceleration it is taking is 4 meter per second square. Time equal to 10 seconds. All 3 parameters given. What is the asked to find out? Is how much distance will it travel. So S equal to, you can go for using second equation, ut plus half at square. So you will have u equal to u parameter 0, s equal to half at square. A is positive here, is accelerating 10 square. $200.
200.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
10 into 10 into 2 is there ना, ये 2 है, ये 2 है.
हाँ वही I did not.
Shreya is stuck with that only, cutting powers and real numbers. The problem is, it is, you should apply your mind like that. Okay. This is the end of the session, today's session, and we will meet again tomorrow with the next chapter of your physics. Acha, by the way, tomorrow is your chemistry test, na? In school.
My over today everything.
How was your test?
Nice.
By the way,
Nice. Very good.
good.
Very easy.
Very easy.
Only
Full
one-
marks. Full marks.
No, 19.
1 mark lost also, I feel very bad.
I also felt very bad.
Huh.
I did not solve that question.
What was that
correctly.
online bit?
That last bit was, in a democracy, the powers lie with. The first option was military. Second option was something the state. Third was the government, and fourth was the people. ठीक है?
People. Democracy means people.
हाँ. I thought before that question, a question was there that in Pakistan the military coup was led by Parvez Musharraf.
Parvez Musharraf. Yes.
I took that answer correct. In next question, I don't know what came into my mind. I read that as Pakistan in non-democratic country. Then I did it military.
Military.
That is why-
Military dictatorship in some countries.
हाँ.
Russia also earlier it used to be there. Military
Child
dictatorship.
Pinochet.
China.
Child.
Child, not
Child.
China. Child.
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 Ah.
It is in South American
America.
country. Yes. Child. Over. Written down, na? Over.
Over.
That's all for today's day. Thank you.